to Quack Farm, a unique rooftop goat farm in India. Here, farmers utilize every available space, including rooftops, to raise goats sustainably and efficiently, turning unused areas into productive, income-generating farms. Hello everyone, and welcome. At Quack Farm, our goal is to provide goat farmers with reliable, scientifically proven information on goat farming, completely free of charge. We hope that this guide will help farmers grow their goat farming operations more efficiently, save time, and increase their income.
Hello friends, welcome to Quack Farm. Here on this channel, we strive to bring you accurate and scientific information on goat farming, completely free, to help goat farmers increase their profits in less time. Friends, while there's lots of content out there on goat farming, much of it provides incomplete information or hides the full picture. That's why in this episode, we aim to give you all the details on how much income can really be earned from goat farming in a year. It's true that some veteran farmers earn lakhs of rupees annually, but there's a big gap in results between seasoned farmers and those just starting out. Often, videos gloss over this gap, leading new farmers down a misleading path. In this video, we'll share the secrets to going from zero to hero in goat farming. Unlike what some videos suggest, goat farming isn't an easy way to make quick money. It requires dedication and patience. Many newcomers are drawn in by attractive videos, thinking it's a quick profit. But when they face the realities, they often get overwhelmed by the challenges and give up, which harms the reputation of goat farming. Remember, the more effort you put in, the more likely you are to succeed. Starting out, new farmers may put in both hard work and capital but fail to maintain the necessary patience. In farming, patience is key to success. When newcomers rush for fast returns, their efforts can backfire, and they may struggle to keep their operations going. Here's another important point. The world in 2024 is changing, and so are the techniques in goat farming. Those who stick to outdated methods may miss out on good profits. Adapting with the times is essential to staying competitive. That's why we're sharing the tips that successful farmers follow, which can help you too. Key 1. Dedication. Success in goat farming doesn't depend on wealth or resources. What truly makes a farmer successful is their dedication to their goats. Many beginners view goat farming as a side business, but this is a mistake. You can't rely on labor alone, you need to be involved every day. New workers may lack the skills needed to recognize when a goat is unwell, the right feeding times, or birthing care, leading to costly losses. A visit every morning and evening to check on the animals is crucial. Good farmers can tell by looking at their animals' coats and eyes whether they're healthy. Being present 7 days a week is vital because unexpected health issues can arise any time. Without your presence, you risk loss due to problems like temperature changes or injury. Key 2. Problem solving. Goat farming isn't a set it and forget it business. Every day brings new challenges. If you're able to face these difficulties and solve problems rather than avoiding them, you'll have a much stronger chance at success. However, many beginners underestimate this, and those who struggle with problem solving may quickly leave the industry. Key 3. Market research. Most new goat farmers have a limited vision, focusing solely on preparing goats for sale, but goat farming has more opportunities. It can include dairy production and breed improvement, which can increase your profits. We encourage farmers to look beyond just meat production and consider these other aspects as well. Through Quack Farm, we're committed to offering free, practical training to help new goat farmers. We're also pleased to share that within a short period, we've provided farmers in around 80 to 85 states in India with supplements and herbal medicines delivered right to their doorsteps. If you need quick advice, we encourage you to use WhatsApp for an immediate response. Thank you for joining us here at Quack Farm. Let's work together to create a thriving and successful goat farming journey.
What do you think about this issue? Please leave a comment below for everyone to know and discuss. Goodbye and see you again.